Fan mower man returns to operate a Laguna. Early Laguna. Part of a lot of like 12 of these.
Yeah, we all bought one. It's the first one we get to see run.
Yeah.
And it ain't none of ours.
No. It belongs to Zach over here. The first of the Laguna. Yeah, it seems to run pretty good.
Quiet.
That it is. It's got the beehive canopy, the rib housing.
Holy heavy cigarettes in the trash can.
It's gonna smell like heavy cigarettes in this room in about 2 more seconds.
This might smell like something else.
We can make it smell like that too. I'm okay with that.
This is a good running fan. Alright. Cinder on high.
Full balls time.
That whole thing hauls. Oddly enough, not as much air as I was expecting.
Yeah, because there's not much pitch.
And the plays aren't pitched too well. What a cool little fan. We'll shut her down.
I'm going to check after you're done with that. I'm going to see if it actually goes faster in reverse.
I doubt it.
Please don't do that.
You're gonna be recording for the next 10 minutes. To record that spin down time.
Oh yeah, that's going to be a while.
It's gonna take forever. Is it off?
Yeah, that's off.
Holy crap! That thing's gonna spin forever.
Yeah.
It's got some good bearings. For an SMC, that's got some really good
And the
bearings.
blades didn't weigh nothing either. And it's still spinning for that long.
This is very similar to what my uncle had in his office.
I have one of these.
He had one of these with like a single fitter on it. And the globe buzzed so bad when I was a kid, I was scared to go in that room. It went I was legit scared of that fan.
You want to see me grow up?
I mean, that goes way faster.
I would know.
High and reverse.
Oh, you didn't wait for spin down?
We'll do that after high and reverse.
It was gonna stop in like 30 seconds anyway. It was basically done.
Well, that wouldn't help either.
Actually, I think it goes slower.
It looks like it goes slower in reverse. Although it's moving more air because it's going up.
I think that's about as fast as it's gonna go.
Alright, spin down. Probably going to be here a while again.
Okay, it's gonna spin for 10 minutes. Cool.
It's already 2 minutes long.
It's already how long?
Excuse me?
2 minutes long.
Sorry.
Can't believe it's only 2 minutes long.
Yeah, my videos always end up longer than that.
It's gonna be by the time that fan's done.
It'll probably be around 5-6 minutes long.
I don't know,
I mean, I can come in there and turn it out high again, let it get all the way back up.
No, we're not doing that again, Christian.
I mean, I don't know. I would do spin down. I just don't know if anyone really cares to watch the spin down.
Oh, a lot of people do.
There's a lot of people.
That's why I got so many views, I think, because I just make the whole video.
Watch, you're gonna hear that line right there in that one video, and your views are gonna like cut in half.
That was not true.
Oh shit, gotta redo the video.
It's already 3 minutes in, goddamn it.
There goes half the evening.
Oh, there goes the YouTube monetization he cost.
Frickin' way she goes.
Gotta start deducting.
This video should be called Ceiling Fan Comedy. There's just so much shit talking going on.
We're about done with the coast down.
For a little fan, they think that they wouldn't hold the coast down.
The blades didn't weigh nothing either. Dude,
I really like the blades.
The motor sat there and spun for like 45 seconds in my hand. And I didn't even spin that
Did
fast.
they make the 36-inch Lagunas with stencil? I never seen it.
Well, they did, but I don't know if the early ones did.
Yeah, I don't think any of the early ones had stencil.
Because this is an earlier
There's not
one.
very many of them.
But the one I want to
Read
find
that box. See if there's a stencil option on that box.
I think there is.
That thing is still going.
The one
We're
thing
almost
the one
done.
SMC Laguna I'm looking for is the one without the switch housing. It's just flat on the bottom because it has a
One
switch
like more
housing.
industrial looking one.
Should have run and spun over the box stop.
And that's it. Anyone got anything to say?
I should have walked over there and spun it right as it was about to stop just to make your video 3 minutes longer.
Well, there you go. The first of 12 Lagunas.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed.